That's a good bass.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Out here at a new lake, testing out a new body of water. Looks pretty clear. It looks great. One problem, forgot the fish finder. Didn't realize until I started unloading, and then realized I didn't have it on me. So not feeling too confident, knowing that I don't have my fish finder for one, new body of water for two, and three, a cold front's blowing in evening. So it should be a pretty eventful day. We'll see what happens, and y'all stay tuned.
This reminds me of that video. It doesn't go down. It do go down. Dude freaks out.
It's a bridge. Just goes around the corner. It don't. It don't go down. It goes down. No, it don't. It do go down. Oh!
Let's see. Oh, that felt like something.
All right, so it's an hour later. Haven't seen any fish or spooked any fish. Normally by now I'd at least spook one or two, but have a pretty good feeling these fish are deep. They're not going to be shallow at all, which is unfortunate for me, not bringing the fish finder, but looking on the optimistic side of things, going to be looking at just different areas to fish. So next time I come out here, be a little more prepared. I don't know if y'all can see that graffiti on there, but it says July 6, 2020. Water level was right midpoint of that bridge. So the water's pretty down. That's how most lakes are around here. It was the highest points that it's been in a long time, and now they're all down. We had rain in a while. Maybe this snow will help. Already snagged. Whoa. That looked like I don't even know what that was. Come on. Is that a carp? Like a big carp. Hit a tree with your lure, completely broke off that other hook. I've been going this way, right here, this way, but every time I'm making my way down, a fish jumps literally right behind me. So going back this way again, and then I'm gonna make my way back, maybe. Try this crankbait, 6 cents, just bought it yesterday. Made it back over here, gonna try by these docks and see if these were the fish are located. 4:45, been out here for 3.5 hours.
That's a good bass. That's what I came out here for. Oh, finally. Spent 4 hours. I'm getting all tangled up, man. Okay. Some type of growth, but it's like some algae or something, but 6 cents crankbait got it done. And go ahead and weigh this guy. Finally, gosh, what time is it? 5 o'clock. Thought it looked really good for a crankbait. I saw some rocks. Figured this is the spot to throw it. Really winging it today. Okay. Well, let's see. .56 right there. It's a good bass. Good bass for sure. Go ahead and get a quick picture and then let this boy back in. All right, finally got that out. And I think I can catch me a few more maybe. I did have to cut that net, so I don't know if it's gonna land me another fish. Let's see. No, it's not in bad condition.
Alright guys, made it back. Truck loaded up, everything's ready to go. Anyways, at the end of the day, 5 o'clock, landed a 3.5 pounder. Nice fish, definitely made up for the frustrating part of the day. Lost a few crankbaits, a few of the Texas rigs, but other than that, pretty good day. Cold front's coming in, so I won't be fishing for the next few days. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Should be a good one.